one of the top stories that we will be tracking. But moving on to another story that we have got our eyes on, which is Telangana, which is reeling under debt and unemployment. But Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao's splurge doesn't seem to end.
It was gold ornaments worth 5 crore rupees at the Tirupati temple day before yesterday. Now KCR is set to make another Thanksgiving offering.
This is the first time that a state government is giving a donation from the public funds to any temple like this. Okay, so this is totally unacceptable in a democratic regime. It does not have any sanction either from the constitution or from any policy whatsoever. By now shouting this and telling that this is for the people of Telangana or from the people of Telangana is merely playing. This is ridiculous statement. It is without any basis. In that case, he should have actually, after the Telangana state farming, he should have actually put it up in his manifesto. Did he do that? It was not in his manifesto. Okay, so it does not have any constitutional basis, and this is setting a very, very dangerous precedent. And it is not even the case of a misplaced priority, it is a case of total unconstitutionality, abuse of the position.
Chandrasekhar Rao, along with his entire family and some of his ministers, going to Tirupati and giving there a 5 crore ornament to the temple from the state exchequer seems to be a very, very illegal activity. Now, we don't know whether the cabinet has approved this expenditure. Now, what kind of welfare expenditure is this? How can a chief minister, for a personal vow to a god or a goddess, can take people's money and gift it to the god goddess on his own behalf? Some kind of a PIL has to be filed in the state high court, and the whole thing has to be examined legally, because this kind of use of state money for personal spiritual beliefs or superstition destroys the state and its people.